The sunset paints the kitchen orange. Her hair sways, stirring my heart. Holding a plate, I steal a glance. Her smile so bright, it warms my chest. Her subtle silhouette from behind, I can't help but chase. Words fall short when our eyes meet. We both blush, time stops still. Summer's magic spell. Fireworks echo in the distance. Her voice says just the two of us is perfect. Brighter than the starry sky. Your eyes, we chose love this summer. Her small hands lined up on the counter. The scent of cooking mixed with love. The moment she